You'll get it figured out?
Yes. Yes, we did.
All right. Tell me about it.
So, we've got... Oh, sorry, I'm wiring some new stuff. So we've got two new... Well, we replaced the switch. So we have a new switch here. Then we actually have a new switch here. And a new key switch. The reason is so that we can wire some new lights as well, which they are going back there. So we've got one light here and one light over there. So these are going to be Joshua's work lights. So whenever he's driving around or like plowing stuff or doing stuff at night, he has light at night to see what he's doing. And as long as I don't electrocute myself, it'll be very bright.
Okay.
Yeah. So when we wired up the first thing, there are a lot of sparky sparks, but I think we've worked all those out. So if you'd like to see, this goes on.
And this new stuff is connected, right?
No.
At all?
No. Oh, well. There we go.
All right.
Got the lights.
Got lights. All
There's
right.
different levels, so we'll be able to turn on, what are these? Parking lights, riding lights, and then all the way back is going to be work lights.
Cool. All right.
And you can leave the lights on, turn the key, and it turns the lights on.
Cool.
So,
All right.
sorry. You need to flash it. Where are my snip snips? Where have you left them? Well, that's a good question. Where did I leave those snip snips? There they are.
There they are.
All right. So, more electrical. Let's see. So now we've got, we went from, okay. So, this is extra. So this is going to run into I don't like the way that cut, so we're going to turn that up. So
Don't
yeah.
forget everything's connected, like the battery and yeah.
We're really bad habit of doing that.
Yep. Don't want to get electrocuted.
That's why I'm here.
Do what?
So that's why I'm here.
Just to make sure nobody's electrocuted. Yeah. All right.
It shouldn't be too much longer. We should have.
Nighttime tractor repair.
Joshua found something really cool too. This thing has like built-in wire management. So all of the none of the wires are like exposed to anything. They're all ran through like channels built into the tractor.
Yeah, see that.
So that's pretty cool.
I was wondering what those were earlier.
Yeah. Well, I don't know if that's. I mean, I'm not sure if that's what they are.
I think it's what they are. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what they're going to be used for.
They could have been outed afterwards, because they kind of look like somebody took some steel and wrapped it over and just bolted them down.
No, they're probably been on there forever. I mean, it may have been afterwards, but it could have been. Yeah. I mean, if it was built in 1954.
1954 with some 2024 technology.
Yeah. Old tractor with LED lighting.
Oh, it's gonna be bright.
LED backup lights
I was telling him I wouldn't be surprised if the backup lights.
are brighter than the front lights.
Yeah, I bet they will like illuminate what's in front of us better than the front lights.
Probably.
Well, we could always turn them
Yeah.
to face like towards like forward.
Yeah.
Really cool.
All right.
All right.
There's a cat over there screaming.
Yeah, there's always animals out making noises at night. At least we're not hearing coyotes.
I think Luna has kept that at bay.
I think so too.
I think she's definitely. They're like no. Because y'all had coyotes when y'all first moved here, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Haven't heard any since she moved in.
Oh, that's a smart way to do that.
Huh?
That's a smart way to do that.
What?
How you merging those?
Mm-hmm. And also, everyone on YouTube, if you are not a professional electrician, which I'm not, be very careful and read the owner's manual. Or get yourself a man or a girl to tell you that you're doing everything wrong.
And y'all found the owner's, or y'all found the manual to it.
Oh yeah, Joshua did that.
Yeah, I went to the co-op and found it there.
Those actually a tractor supply.
Was it at Tractor Supply or the co-op?
Tractor supply.
Oh. Huh.
So it's over there next to the tree.
Oh, look at that. Oh. Hi, babe.
The old Ferguson shop manual for the tractors. All right.
Where is the... I just need the screwdriver.
I'm gonna set my camera up over here.
Oh, it died. Oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna need a flashlight.
I know.
The light died?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Guess who's gonna record?
Huh?
I guess who's gonna record?
I guess your dad's gonna record.
Well, I don't have much light here. Let me see. How can I turn my light on? Oh,
I don't think you can while you're
not available while using. Yeah. Okay.
Or here.
Yeah, you're fine.
Just right on the verge of making it work, and the light goes
Oh
out.
yeah, I'm gonna need it over here, babe.
I want to get the when they turn on camera. And it fell over. I'll be right back. I'm sorry.
That's there. This is gonna go. Oh God, where should this go? Just there, you think? Yeah.
Under the ground wire.
Yeah. All right. Where's? This little wire is giving me a run for my money today. You know what? Oh, shit. That is not something I need to be losing tonight. Damn it. Yep, no. Okay, there's that. And the bolt. Well, hey babe, do you have another a better nut and bolt, like an actual one?
Probably.
Okay. I don't know what that is. I'll close this up.
Here you go. That's quick.
Huh? Fantastic. And not a very large hole. We cannot fit a very. That'll work. Maybe put it there. Nope.
Your camera on, Joshy?
Yeah. I have it recording for the big back part.
Okay.
At some point, I'd like to make all of these negative connections like one, just one big accessories connection. Okay. Oh. Can I get a light down here, babe?
Sorry. Oh.
Oh, that's not gonna work either. Damn it. It's gonna work.
Good? Yep.
I love how y'all both backed away.
Oh yeah.
Cool. Got it.
Hey, that's cool.
That is. Definitely bright. Really bright, yeah. That's great.
And they're all attached to the stick.
Good.
So, and hey babe, watch.
Yeah.
You can turn just the lights on with the switch, or off, and not actually turn on the truck.
Cool.
So, lights on. There you go. No start.
Cool.
I don't know if that's going to be useful at all, but
Oh, I think it will. Yeah. I think
you
it'll
have
be
a
great.
mobile spotlight if you need it. Oh, when are we back?
Cool.
All right, I think it is safe to say my job here is done.
All right.
So now we get to drive around at night.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tomorrow you're going to make sure all the wiring is sitting there where it doesn't
Actually,
change around or anything. So
I have some Gorilla tape somewhere that we can like tighten down a lot of it,
Yeah, we need to do that.
and then we can drive it around.
He just wants to drive it at night.
you want to drive it at night?
I do.
You do? Okay.
I want to get it on camera driving at night.
All right.
I get to take it for a spin though, right?
Yeah. Somebody's got to stay behind and record it.
Huh?
Somebody's got to stay behind and record it.
Okay.
All right.
Well, let me make sure all the wiring is safe, and then